Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something a little different, something that's been on my mind lately amidst all this city buzz. We chase the next big thing, the corner office, the hottest gadget, the most exclusive experience. We define luxury by price tags and status symbols. But have we stopped to think about the truly luxurious things in life? The things that money can't always buy, and that our concrete jungles often steal away? Watch this clip.
Ja, bozukluğum. O pulugam.
خونه کم آبم خونه بای حالا دیگر آدم متحرک نکن
Ah.
Think about it. What's more luxurious than taking a deep breath of crisp, clean air? In our cities, that's becoming a rare commodity. We're constantly battling pollution, the fumes of traffic, the recycled air in our offices. Remember that feeling of air so fresh? It almost tastes sweet. When was the last time you truly experienced that? And what about sparkling clean water? We turn on the tap without a second thought. But is it purely pure? We rely on filtration systems and bottled water, a constant reminder that the most basic necessity is often compromised in our urban environments. Imagine drinking water straight from a spring, crystal clear and revitalizing. That's a luxury many of us have only seen in movies and pictures. Then there's the elusive stress free life. Our cities are engines of ambition, but also of anxiety. The constant pressure to perform, the endless notifications, the relentless pace, it takes a toll. We book expensive spa days to try and unwind. But what if our default state wasn't one of the constant stress in the first place? Imagine waking up without the knot of tension in your stomach, having time to simply be. Now, I'm not saying city life is all bad. It offers incredible opportunities, culture, and connection. But in our pursuit of modern luxuries, have we inadvertently sacrificed these fundamental ones? The ones that nourish our bodies and minds at their core? Maybe it's time we redefine what luxury truly means. Perhaps it's not about the biggest apartment or the fanciest car, but about the simple, essential things: a lung full of fresh air, a glass of pure water, and the space to breathe, both physically and mentally. What do you think? Have you felt this disconnect? What do you consider the true luxuries in life? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more thought provoking content. And maybe, just maybe, take a moment today to appreciate a small patch of green, a slightly clearer breath of air, a moment of quiet amidst the chaos.